with the GMLRS alternative warhead rocket being one of the most scary weapons for an infantry. Ukraine has produced more miniature versions of these, with blast fragmentation spreading a few dozens of meters, fitted on drones. Being able to take out several soldiers in one strike, but increases the effectiveness as each strike increases the likelihood of taking out infantry. With Ukraine using what they have at hand, they sometimes use claymore mines, but also used improvised blast fragmentation warheads, shown its effectiveness multiple times with effective range, taking out more Russian infantry, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.